Now, let me ask you a question. How many times have you heard people saying AI is taking over jobs? How many times have you seen videos where someone claims they made thousands of dollars with artificial intelligence? And how many times have you watched those videos and thought, that sounds great, but I don't know how to code? If that sounds like you, then today's video is exactly what you need. Because the biggest misconception people have about AI is that you need to be a programmer before you can make money from it. That is simply not true. In fact, many people who currently making money through AI don't even know how to write a single line of code. They are not software engineers. They are not computer scientists. They are ordinary people who learned how to use AI tools to solve problems for businesses and individuals. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how beginners are making money with AI without coding. I will also show you realistic opportunity, what actually works in 2026, and how you can start even if you only have smartphone and internet connection. So stay with me till the end of this video, because some of the methods I will share today requires little or no money to start. Let's begin. First of all, let's understand something very important. AI is not magic. AI is simply a tool. Just like a calculator helps people to solve mathematics faster, AI helps people to perform certain tasks faster. The people making money for AI are not necessarily the ones building AI. The people making money are often the ones using AI to create value. Think about it. Most people who make money driving a car did not manufacture that car. Most people who make money from using smartphone did not build that smartphone. They simply use the tool. The same way applies to AI. Now let's talk about the first way beginners are making money from AI. Number one, AI content creation. This one is the easiest way to get started. Businesses need content every single day. They need blog posts. They need Facebook posts. They need Instagram captions. They need product descriptions. They need email newsletters. They need video scripts. And many business owners don't have time to create all of this themselves. This is where AI comes in. Tools like ChatGPT can help you create content much faster. Notice something important. I did not say copy and paste everything AI writes. The people making money are those who use AI as an assistant. They improve the content, they personalize it, and they make it sound human. They even sell that service. Imagine a local business owner who needs 20 Facebook posts every single month. You create those posts using AI, you edit them, you deliver them professionally. The client pays you. That's a business. No coding required. Number two, AI-powered social media management. Millions of business owners know they should be posting online. The problem is consistency. Many of them are busy. Some run physical stores, some are professionals, some own restaurants, some are consultants. They simply don't have that time. You can use AI tools to help create content calendar, caption ideas, hashtag, and engagement strategy. Then you manage your account for clients. Many social media management today use AI to produce amount of time they spend on creating content. This allows them to handle more clients and earn more income. The beautiful thing is, business cares about results. Most clients don't care about whether I use AI. They care about their social media presence improve. Number three is AI video script writing. This one is especially interesting because it aligns with what many of you already see on YouTube. Thousands of creators need scripts. Many of them upload video consistently. Some upload several times a week. Writing script takes time. AI can help speed up that process. You can learn how to structure engaging scripts, create strong hook, build curiosity, and keep viewers watching. Then you offer script writing for YouTubers. Many creators are willing to pay because script writing is one of the most time-consuming parts of content creation. Number four is AI thumbnail idea service. A lot of people focus only on videos, but thumbnails are equally important. You can use AI to brainstorm thumbnail concepts, headline ideas, and visual directions. Then package those ideas and sell them to creators. Remember, YouTube is a very competitive platform. Anything that helps a creator improve their click-through rate. Number five, AI CV service. Many job seekers struggle to write professional resumes. AI tools can help create better resume structure and wording. You can assist job seekers by helping them create professional resumes and cover letters. Again, no coding required. They are simply using AI as a productive tool. Number 6 is AI presentation creation. Students, entrepreneurs, consultants, and businesses constantly need presentation. AI tools can help create outline, slide content, and presentation ideas. You can then package everything into a professional presentation and charge for the service. A lot of people hate creating slides. If you can save them time, they will gladly pay you. Number 7, AI research service. People are overwhelmed by information. Businesses need research. Content creator needs research. Student needs research reports. AI can help you organize information faster. You can provide research summaries, market research reports, competitors analysis, and industry insights. The key is verifying information and presenting it clearly. Number 8, AI-powered freelancing. This is one of the biggest opportunities. Instead of competing with freelancers who work slowly, AI allows you to work faster. You can offer writing, content creation, research, brainstorming, marketing assistance, customer support, and many other services. The goal is not replacing yourself with AI. The goal is becoming more productive. The more productive you become, the more clients you can serve, the more money you potentially earn. Now let's talk about something very important. Why do most people fail? Because they spend all their time watching videos and never start. They watch one AI tutorial, then another. Months pass, nothing changes. Meanwhile, someone else spend 1 week learning AI skills and immediately start offering service. Who do you think gets results? The person taking action. Information is everywhere. Execution is rare. Another mistake people make is chasing shortcuts. They see someone claiming they made millions overnight. Then they expect same results. Real businesses takes time. Real skills takes time. Real income takes time. The people who succeed with AI treat it like a business tool, not a lottery ticket. Now, let me share a simple roadmap for beginner. Step 1, choose one AI service. Just one. Don't try to do 10 things at once. Focus on one. Step 2, learn the service properly. Practice, improve, build confidence. Step 3, create sample work. Even if you don't have clients yet, create samples. Show people what you can do. Step 4, start looking for clients. Reach out to businesses. Reach out to creators. Reach out to entrepreneurs. Let them know how you can help. Step 5, deliver excellent results. A satisfied client leads to referrals. Referrals can lead to more clients. More clients can lead to more sustainable business. That's how real businesses are built. One result at a time. One improvement at a time. Now, before we end this video, I want to address something important. AI is not replacing hard work. AI is rewarding smart work. People who learn how to use AI effectively will have an advantage. The future belongs to people who can combine technology with human creativity, because AI can generate content, but humans provide judgment. AI can provide ideas, but humans provide strategy. AI can create drafts, but humans create connections. That combination is extremely powerful. So if you have been telling yourself that you cannot benefit from AI because you don't know how to code, I hope this video has changed your perspective. You don't need to be a programmer to start. You don't need to be a computer scientist. You don't need a computer scientist degree to start. You don't need expensive equipment to start. What you need is willingness to learn, practice, and take action. The tools are available. The question is whether you will take advantage of them. Thanks so much for watching. My name is Akugha Precious. I'm a certified business coach. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share with someone that needs it, and share with someone that wants to start making money online. Let me know in the comments which of these AI opportunity interests you the most, and I will see you in the next video.